Hello class 7 students, today we will continue English 1 chapter 9 bicycle in good repair. We will continue from part 2. We have already studied part 1 in our previous class. Part 1 akanin narrator li achampa chu bicycle manga munla takakal tumin anin puacha na se mama se achampa jok chuan intithiam takin achampa narrator jok bicycle chu achia sakveka ankal tumna po chu ankal lei theilowa an bicycle an channel lama a screw te chu chhuata let phengphunga anjong chiamani kha khami thlengkha kanjira tuna part 2 kan chun chumang. There is page number 129. Let's look at the first paragraph. He then said that while he was about it, he would see to the chain for me, and at once began taking off the gear case. I did try to dissuade him from that. I told him what an experienced friend of mine once said to me solemnly: if anything goes wrong with your gear case, sell the machine and buy a new one. It comes cheaper. He said, people talk like that who understand nothing about machines. Nothing is easier than taking off a gear case. I had to confess he was right. In less than 5 minutes, he had the gear case in 2 pieces, lying on the bed, and was groveling for screws. He said it was always a mystery to him the way screws disappear. Chutia achampa in gear vel an chata an check vel te chu enringa narrator chuan kachian hetiang lam shide upakhat hian a gear lam a fello chuan shalla athar leiro a chhazok ti in minshil atia achampa chuan machine lam shime alo chuan khatiang khan lomman soireng chin a gear chia aya ul samhi omlo ti buka narrator po chuan soidi kative emema minute nga por hal lo tia chuan a gear chu munhi a chata chwata screw te chu let phengphunga achampa chuan screw bow chin chu makati thu asoi bokani. Now let's look at the next paragraph. Common sense continued to whisper to me, stop him before he does any more mischief. You have a right to protect your own property from the ravages of a lunatic. Take him by the scruff of the neck and kick him out of the gate. But I am weak when it comes to hurting other people's feelings, and I let him muddle on. He gave up looking for the rest of the screws. He said screws had a knack of turning up when you least expected them, and that now he would see to the chain. He tightened it till it would not move. Next he loosened it until it was as twice loose as it was before. Then he said we had better think about getting the front wheel back into its place. Aril ru chuan a champa thil ti lai mek chu top turin a tuk lutuka a thil poi a thlen ma in angai to na a chuan lak sak ro mani thil tu khangmi a lakatang kan kan veng him turani ti ti nangai to get po na pe chhuak ngal ro ti te chu angai to na se emema angai to na a chuan amale ma chu lawin bive na se emem bokani diktaka se chun a champa kha ring hlol lawa amma bok chuan miril routine na chu hlawa angai to ang chuan ati talawani a screw zon chu a beidon santa a champa chuan screw te chu mamo lo vele aronin lar le vat meyang tin a changa a chin te chu an hair taita a che to lo thlengin chumi nuwa a ma aya let ni a tholin an her le a kemalam chu anga yang in an dalet le theita ani. Let's look at the next paragraph. I held the fork open and he worried with the wheel. At the end of 10 minutes, I suggested he, next page 130, should hold the fork and that I should handle the wheel, and we changed places. At length we did get the thing into position, and the moment it was in position, he burst out laughing. I said, "What's the joke?" He said, "Well, I'm an ass." It was the first thing he had said that made me respect him. I asked him what had led him to the discovery. He said, "We've forgotten the balls." I looked for my hat. It was lying topsy-turvy in the middle of the path. He was of a cheerful disposition. He said, "Well, we must put back all we can find and trust to Providence." Narrator chuan a fork chu atikawa a wheel a ke a water chu lo hlau thong emema angai twata a champa chuan a fork of wananga a ke ka wa jok turani ti na ngai twata anum hun chu anin thlak ta chutia anom hun tian thlak lai chuan a champa chu ran nui chuak ta hoka narrator jok chuan inge nui za thlak uma atia a champa chuanin ke hi mi a kani hi atia chu chu athil soi aron soi chwa to a chuanin kalaza ber tumani angati ni chuanin a champa jok chuanin a balls kha kan thengil de elom atia a lukhuma ada thatka khangte khan han ena topsy-turvy kan ti chu upside down a let ling zong in lo oma a champa chuanin kan thil kan hmu to ang jong chu kan wa let le turani kan ring turani ati tani. Now let's look at page number 131. We found 11 We fixed 6 on one side and 5 on the other, and half an hour later the wheel was in its place again. It need hardly be added that it really did wobble now. A child might have noticed it. He said it would do for the present. I said, "Watching you do this of real use to me. It is not only your skill that fascinates me, it is your cheery confidence in yourself, your inexplicable hopefulness that does me good." Thus encouraged, he set to work to refix the gear case. He stood the bicycle against the house and worked from the off side. Then he stood it against the tree and worked from the on side. Then I held it for him while he lay on the ground with his head between the wheels and worked at it from below and dropped oil upon himself. Then he took it away from me and doubled himself across it till he lost his balance and slid over onto his head. Then he lost his temper and tried bullying the thing, the bicycle. I was glad to see you, showed spirit, and the subsequent proceedings degenerated into little else than a rough and tumble fight between him and the machine. One moment the bicycle would be on the gravel path and he on the top of it. The next, the position would be reversed, he on the gravel path, the bicycle on him. Now he would be standing flush with victory, the bicycle firmly fixed between his legs. But his triumph would be short-lived. By a sudden, quick movement it would free itself and, turning upon him, hit him sharply over the head with one of its handle. A cold hill an zon te chu som pakhat an hua, le lama paruk an voa le lama panga, darkar chan ve ral mi chuan a ke chu a omna tura chuan an voa dik theita a, chutia an voa ta ka chuan a nging po chu a zia ta a champa chuan ilamang theanga tia. Narrator chuan tiang iti ka hmu hi ka changkai pui khop mai, ithiam na mai po ni lawin, I inrin tok na le be se na ini isan lu tuk awang hian katan a chakop ani ati a. Chuan a gear chu an han buai pui le ta a, bicycle chu in bula an da a ton tunin an thok du na, a champa chu chhuata amu a, ama le ama chu oil tika a inti fara. Ani chuan a lo lak saka thatak chuan an thok dun zela, a champa chu a thinin a tuar talawa, ama le bicycle chu anin be tok emema. A changin bicycle chu chhuata oma a let rim ruma, an position an din munte an hanin thlaka, tuna chuan a champa jok chu a hnuai a tangin na a thok ve le thunga, a hnuwa a handle a von na a te chuan a in tau boka, an mani toka an buai ve emani. Narrator khan a champa a ring box si lawa a champa kha in ti thiam box si a. Nileng deu thokan kha bicycle pakhat ringot kha an buai pui char chara anei tupa in a champa arin lo lutukla khanin ati chiang ti a hlau ve boxia an pani chon an beidun ve ngat mai ni. Now let's look at page number 132. At 1:45, dirty and disheveled, cut and bleeding, he said, "I think that will do," and rose and wiped his brow. The bicycle looked as if it also had had enough of it. Which had received most punishment it would have been difficult to say. I took him into the kitchen back where, so far as was possible, he cleaned himself. Then I sent him home. Reitak an be nuwa chuanin bal tak le ti pil na thi phungin alo chuaka alo tho chuaka ti kha chuan a thato anga ti a ronding chuaka amit mul ti chu an shofaya. Narrator chuan bicycle chuan na du to ka mutuang soihar tak shemna adonga ni ringot atia champa chu chaukalama ashwaya intifaya a hotir ta ani. Okay kaka, part 1 le 2 a kan soi theite chu ni a. You will read your textbook by yourself. If there is any word that you don't understand, you underline it and you will search it in a dictionary. I hope you understand. For your homework, page number 135, number 2, use should, must, ought to appropriately in the following sentences. Fill in the blanks ani a, should emo, must emo, ought to mangkhanin blank ka inon fill up to ani. That's going to be your homework, and don't forget to write down in your homework book. And that is all for today. Thank you.